iPhone 3G. And before I show you, there's this thing I'm gonna do right here. So just look at this. This goes in right here. This is the inside of the iPhone 3G. Look at that. Here it is. Pretty neat. We got the camera right there, which leads to this little thing. I could take it out right there. And put it back in. I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Right, so I'll do it later. Alright, so here's some little things that Apple has provided in the iPhone 3G. The SIM, the only thing that this is the chip that the iPhone 3G didn't have is the A4 chip. So we cannot see it in here. Our screen is cracked in here. That's why I took it apart, because it didn't work anymore. This is where the home button is. So yeah. If you want to know how to take the iPhone 3G apart, just search me up in the search bar. And it'll take you to my channel. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.